Imagine it's Monday morning, you're just walking to work and your boss is like, we need an e-commerce website now. And you can either take a few months building it in Rust from scratch, or you can let AI do everything for you. This is LiteWoo in under 100 seconds. First, we're gonna head over to LiteWoo.com. We're gonna choose WooCommerce hosting, and here we're gonna get the cheapest option. You can either transfer over a domain that we already have or register a new one. Here you can see it's available, after which we have some configurations like website backups, but I'd rather build everything from scratch. We're trying to upsell us more add-ons for the domain, but we can skip all of these. And on my cart, I could use the code YouTube for 20% off, but why do that when I can use a testing code and get 100% off? Here we're just gonna input our details and finish our payment. Great, let's go to the client area, go to my services, choose my order I just bought. At the bottom, click log into the panel. Now we're at the panel, we just need to choose our website that's already here, click on apps and install an app. Make sure to choose WooCommerce, input our details and click install. Of course, we need an SSL certificate, and I click on this orange cell icon, click on the 3 dots and request. After all that is done, we can log into admin. Let's get started with AI. We're gonna go through filling out all of the steps as they come along, inputting our details and letting AI do everything for us, even write the description. Now we could upload our own photos, but why do that when we can use crappy stock photos for us? Then make sure to choose a template I will for sure regret later. Upload our logo, choose the fonts and colors, and hit continue. Choose all of the extras I certainly do not need. And our website is ready. Well, kind of. Before we go selling, we first need to customize some stuff. So let's hit customize at the top. We can click directly on elements like the logo to make it smaller, or the menus to edit that directly. Same thing for the footer at the bottom. And once I'm done, I can click edit page at the top. Directly change any text or colors we may prefer. And click save. Now back in admin panel, we're gonna click WooCommerce home to start the installation wizard. And once we're done with that, we can go to WooCommerce settings and make sure to fill out everything, including the product options, shipping and payments. I can click on products and now I'm ready to start adding my products. This has been LiteWoo in under 100 seconds. Thank you for watching.